Hello everyone, this is Saruk sir from Etaba. First, I want to say many congratulations all of you qualified Air Force exam. Today we are going to discuss e-learning topic. I think there are 7 students is participate group discussion. So we are introduce yourself. Let's start.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vineet Sharma. Today, our topic is e-learning. We can learn anything with the help of mobile phone, laptop, computer. This is called e-learning. This concept falls under Digital India. Teaching and learning is possible from every part of the world. We can save our time and money also. Time schedule is very flexible. Apart from that, problem for those students who are belonging from rural areas, there is a problem of network connectivity, and if we use mobile phone more than 3 or 4 hours, then we can damage our eye. Thank you. That's all.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Jitesh Kumar. I belong to Etaba. Come to the topic. The topic given to us for discussion is e-learning. The concept of e-learning was used first at CVT System Seminar. Recently, India's e-learning market has become second largest after United States. Due to COVID-19, resulted in the rise of e-learning. Students are not able to attend college and schools even in this situation if they didn't stop learning. This was possible due to e-learning. I want to tell some challenges of e-learning. In the classroom, students will not only learn but also interact with other students and thereby make friends. Students have to look screen continuously. It can strain their eyes. Teachers may not able to focus on all student with e-learning. Thank you. That's all.
Jai Hind everyone. I am very glad to introduce myself before you. My name is Abhay Pratap. I am going to express my views on the topic that is e-learning. In my opinion, e-learning cannot replace classroom teaching. The most crucial part of student life is learn communicating skills, discipline in life, and social interaction. That can never be achieved in e-learning. There is possible only if there is a live interaction between students and teachers. Teachers play a vital role in the development of a student's personality. Student can clarify their doubts on the spot in the class, and teacher develop their personality of the student. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aman. I am going to express my opinion on the topic e-learning. E-learning means we learn from internet. We can learn anything with the help of mobile phone, laptop, and tablet. Learning and teaching are possible in every part of the world. But we all know that every coin has two sides. But there are many advantages of the e-learning, because we all know that it is time of COVID-19 pandemic. So the student are not able to attend the school and college. So e-learning helps most of the student in COVID-19 pandemic. But the disadvantage of the e-learning is that if we spend 2 and 3 hours on the mobile phone, it badly affects our eyes. Thank you. That's from me.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to pay thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vikas. I live at Etawah in UP. Now come to the topic e-learning. E-learning means student their study online. Through the lockdown of especially e-learning helps the student study, because school, college were closed, so their study not properly. Through the e-learning, they can properly study at the time of pandemic. The main advantage of e-learning, student many time of lecture video see, but the disadvantage of e-learning is many students attracted the social network inside like Facebook, internet, WhatsApp, and etc. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Ansu. I live at Etawah in UP. I am going to discuss the topic e-learning. According to my opinion, e-learning cannot replace classroom teaching. It is very productive method of learning. E-learning has a strong advantage. It is flexible towards timing according your schedule and pace. One can upgrade their knowledge. It has less expenses. Learning and teaching is possible of any part of the world. If your concept is not clear, so video and lecture watch many times. Cons of e-learning: it is not accessible to financial unstable people. It can cause strain in eyes. It damages eyesight. It cannot develop soft and social skills. That's all. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Neeraj Kumar. I live at Etawah in Uttar Pradesh. Now come to the topic that is about e-learning. In my opinion, that e-learning, both pros and cons that exist. If I talk about the pros, so if your concept is not cleared, so you go the previous video and watch many times and our concept cleared. But talk the negative aspects, so it is affected our eyes so badly, and in social media apps other so distracting children many times. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.